Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete projects in a Framer. So I have one opened up right here. It's called Alter 2. And the first thing you need to do is just close this project. Just go to your home section, okay? Click on this icon. And here under projects, you will see the project you want to delete. Click on these three dots, okay? And you'll see this option here at the end that says archive. So first we are going to archive this. So click on archive, it'll give you this pop-up. Then click on archive project. And now I'll show you how to delete this. As you can see, it has been archived. And then I'll come here and click on archive. You'll see my archived project that I did just about a minute ago. And then all you need to do is click on delete. You'll get this pop-up. Remember, this cannot be undone. And then just click on delete project. And as you can see, it has been deleted. And that is how you delete projects in Framer.